This is the Rhino quick clean sleeve video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the flags. You don't need to remove the flags to clean off your magnet, but I'm just going to do so you can see what I'm doing. First thing we do is remove the clip and pin from one end. I'm just going to stick the clip onto the magnet so you can see us that we're removing something. And then I'll go around to the opposite side and we'll just slide the sleeve off. Simply just pull on it. And you can see the clips, how the stuff's being sheared off of the magnet. And it'll just keep pulling out. And at the end, normally what I do is I just give the stuff a yank. And it cleans your debris off your Rhino Series Magnetic Sweeper. And to reinstall it, simply just put the sleeve back on. Slide it back over, go back to the other end. And reinstall your pins. And that's the quick clean sleeve video. This is the Rhino and debris digging rake operation video. The first thing you want to do once you've got your Rhino and your debris digging rake all assembled, I've already got it attached to the hitch just because I had to drag it to its location. But what you want to do is you always want to try to get this first top tube here so it's as level as possible. And one way that you can gain a little bit more height, we've got a really low hitch height on this ATV that we're using for the video. But what you can do is you can remove this and you can take this hitch on its lowest setting and it can be flipped upside down to gain you an extra 2 inches. So now you can see our top tube just got more level. The leveler the better, because it's just going to help with your overall operation. And I'm having a hard time seeing this. Now once you've got your top tube relatively level, you want to take your, what I normally do is I set the height of the magnet so it's set at about 4 or 5 inches. And you can adjust the height using your height adjustment bar here. So I'm just going to go ahead and just raise it up a little bit more. Now that you've got that adjusted up, what I'll do is I'll take my debris digging rakes and I'll lower them down just till they touch the surface. And wherever they start to go in, then I'll install my pin again. And I'll repeat it for the same height on the opposite side. And you can normally just count by how many holes you've got sticking out of the top. Now once you've set your rake tines down, you can go ahead and lower your magnets, and that'll put the weight on the rake tines to get them to dig into the ground a little bit better. And I usually just lower it down about 1 inch or so. Because once these rakes disturb the ground, this magnet's going to pick up whatever it disturbed anyways at that height. And if it seems to be digging too deep, you can always repeat the whole process. Raise your magnet back up, bring these up a hole, lower it back down. You really just sort of got to feel it out based on how hard your dirt is. If you've got really compacted soil, you're not going to be able to insert your debris diggers real low into it. And that's it for your debris digging rake and Rhino operational video.